rented this camper van for 1 week because we would like to know how it would feel living the van life. We're on the road. We're having a new journey is with the camper.
New adventure, van life.
Van life. How exciting is this?
Really exciting. Something new again.
Yes. The weather is not on our side and it's autumn, so we can expect this weather, this rainy weather.
We found a really nice place to make a lot of photos.
Yes.
A little island over there and another one over there. It's absolutely amazing. So beautiful, but it's raining. Like the past three days is already raining. But we're staying here and we hope tomorrow morning it will be a little bit of mist, dry at least, and hope some nice colors. So we're gonna check it out tomorrow morning and tonight as well.
Yes.
We are really close by with the campus. Well deserved. Waiting for the rain to stop. We're in such amazing surrounding place. So we stay positive and we really hope tomorrow we're making perfect photos. It's only raining. But tomorrow morning it will be dry, I hope so. We are a bit bored, but then I'll show you a new trick. Watch. Still raining. We are a bit bored, but it's also nice and cozy. Watching the rain, making food, just chilling actually. It's actually not that bad. It's finally dry. Let's make some photos. Beautiful over here. The water is like a mirror. Really nice. The sky is not great yet, but I see some blue in it. So.
Walking in the rain.
autumn, so the forest was really turning into golden brown colors, and there are a lot of mushrooms to find. So I want to do a mushroom photography, and I want to make it with some light underneath. So how to do that is you make sure you got your camera stable on a tripod or on something like I do now, right now, you know. Then you first make a picture with a self timer of 2 seconds so it doesn't shake. And then the second picture you're taking is with light on top of the mushroom, like this. And then you make a second photo, and in Photoshop you combine it all together, and it makes a really glowing mushroom effect. I will show you it in this photo. Alright, let's start cooking. In a small pot you heat up your beef stock. Fry your onions until really soft. That takes about 10 minutes. Then you can add your rice and the wine. Then slowly add your beef stock little bit by bit. Your rice will suck it all up, and every time it's almost dry you add some meal. Until your risotto is done. While your risotto rice is slowly sizzling away, you put a second frying pan on the stove, and in that stove you fry your mushrooms, your sausage and your asparagus. When you're feeling that your risotto rice is done, you finish it off with some Parma cheese and a little nub of butter, maybe a little olive oil, and then it's time to scoop up. We are at a new place called Twinkelvaart. I found a great photo spot with trees hanging over the water with some reflection in the water. The colors are not that great yet, we are a bit too early, 3 weeks probably. But we have to go deal with it. Really happy it's still dry. We made a beautiful photo, I'm pretty sure about that. Let's go to camping. We're going to camping for the first time. We have stayed 3 days now on, not on campings, just on parkings. Which is even more beautiful than a camping, I suppose. But on the camping you have some facilities, what we also really like. And tomorrow it's going to be raining all day, so yeah, we will see. We make the best of it. So far so good.
We're going with the bicycle because we're going to be visiting a wine farm.
Yummy.
So they gave us a tablet. We're going to do a self-guided tour in a winery.
Wine estate.
Wine estate. This is where they make the wine. With their own grapes. This is where they do the bottling and packing.
It's our guide. Hey. He's following us everywhere.
Wow. Yay! Good catch. He thinks, play with me more, I want more. Woohoo! Here are grapes. Gonna try one. Might be nice. Oh. Oh, they're nice and sweet. Really nice. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
They're really nice and sweet. Hey!
Lovely.
Yeah. It starts raining. Let's go inside quickly.
It's really typical Dutch weather.
Yes.
It rains a lot.
Yes.
But yeah, it's October, eh? Kind of expect those kind of weathers. Let's go back to the camper.
Oh, we had a lovely week in this camper van. We really enjoyed it, even though it was raining. It was really bad weather. And we had a lovely little taste in this camper van.
Yeah, a little taste how van life should be or could be. Or yeah, and one day we might build our own camper van. That would be nice. And now we had a little bit of taste. We do that again in the summer maybe. And yeah, we had a lovely week so far. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more adventures of us coming.
Leave a comment down below.
Exactly. You really support us by subscribing and a thumbs up.
Yes.
Bye bye.